Some of my most popular videos are about the hamburger menu on Squarespace. Everyone seems to want to know how to customize it in some way, shape or form. So I was thinking the other day, well, okay, how can I get more hamburger menu content out there? How can I help best serve the community and boost them views up? So I was thinking, okay, great. A client asked me the other day for a border around the hamburger menu. Well, in fact, they supplied me with some Figma designs and they said, we need this around the burger menu. So what I did was obviously wrote a little bit of code for it and it looked really good, if I do say so myself. So, why not share that with you guys? So what we'll do is we'll add a border around the burger menu. We'll also add a border radius, so a curve on the corners, and then we'll also adjust the padding so you have full customization over the aesthetics of the burger menu.
So we're on my site here, and what we want to do first of all is go into our mobile view. And you can see we've got the hamburger menu here. So if I just expand this and I go into Google Chrome Developer Tools on my Mac, click in Shift, Command and C, we're going to be able to identify our hamburger menu up here. So we want to target the whole thing. So click here and you can see we've got burger. So we click burger and then we'll come out of this and then we'll go into website. We'll go down to website tools, custom CSS, and then what we'll do up here is we'll paste burger. Then we'll do brackets. And then what we want to do is put an outline. So that would be border. And then we'd say solid, maybe 2px. And that's going to give us a border around there. Now we want to change the color of that. So I'm going to put FFF, which is white. And you can see we've got a really cool border. Now, if you want to go a little bit further and add a curve, we would do border radius, and then let's just say 10px. And you can see we've got a curve. If you want it to be less severe, you can do 5, which I think looks pretty cool, to be fair. Now, if you want to make the padding a little bit more, so it's a little bit close to the burger menu in my opinion, we would do padding, and then we would say 10px. And that's just going to give us a little bit more padding around everything. I'm probably going to put that down a little bit to 5. Yeah, okay, I think maybe let's just go in the middle, 7, solid. So if we just quickly blow this up, you can see we've got a really nice burger menu border now around that. So that's how you do that. That's how you add a border. That's how you add a border radius, and that's how you add some padding. Hopefully that was simple enough, and hopefully you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.